Hello and welcome to this video tutorial about captioning videos with Microsoft Stream Classic. Microsoft Stream Classic is an enterprise video service that is part of the Office 365 environment. And with Office 365 having over 200 million monthly active users, Stream has now become a commonly available app for many organizations. Microsoft Stream Classic allows you to upload, view, and share videos securely. These can be elements such as recordings of classes or of meetings and presentations, or even videos you uploaded separately to the service. You may have caught that I'm referring to the current version of Microsoft Stream as Stream Classic. This is because Microsoft is embarking on a new vision for Microsoft Stream in 2022. The new Microsoft Stream on SharePoint is set to launch this year and boasts improved ways to create, to share, discover, and manage video content. Stay tuned for updated videos showing steps to captioning within Microsoft Stream on SharePoint, but for now, let's get back to Stream Classic. Before we dive into the video step-by-step guide, we'll first want to take a look at some things to consider. A video's language needs to be set to a supported language in order for the automatic speech recognition technology in Microsoft Stream Classic to generate captions. Captions can be generated in English, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. Also, only videos uploaded as MP4 or WMV files currently support automatic transcripts. So you may need to either convert your video to these file formats or be sure to record in these file formats for success. You have the choice to either auto-generate captions using the speech recognition technology, or you can upload a caption file yourself. So please note that you have the choice of one or the other. You can't auto-generate captions if you've already uploaded a caption file, and you can't upload a caption file if you've selected automatic or auto-generate captioning. You can switch between the two, you just can't have both. Okay, let's go ahead and move into the guide. The first step you'll want to begin with is to log in and gain access to Microsoft Stream Classic. This can be done in two common ways. The first being to Google Microsoft Stream and click on the appropriate Microsoft web link. And then from the forward-facing Microsoft Stream webpage, you can sign in with your organizational login or Microsoft login and then gain access to the Stream service. Or you can do so from your institution's Office 365 landing page. Once you've logged in, you should then be able to use the app launcher from the top left. And typically it's in my all apps under the longer listing, but it may be in the short list of apps that are displayed here as such. And if you don't see Stream in the short list, you can always click all apps and then find the Stream link there. Again, this is Stream Classic. Then you'll land on the Stream landing page, again as a logged in user, which will then give you access to the app's features and options. Through Microsoft Stream Classic, the first step to captioning a video is to upload the video to the service. You can do so by using the upload video icon on the far right, or clicking Create from the menu and then Upload Video. Please note there are other options here if you wanted to upload your video to a group, to a channel, or if your video was also a live event. For now, we're going to stick with Upload Video. Please note you can upload multiple videos here at the same time and even browse Microsoft Stream Classic while your videos are uploading in the background. When you initiate a file upload, so you would choose Browse, find your video, and then your page should update to look something like this if you're uploading one video. You're given access now to fill in the video's details, permissions, and other options. You can fill out the title of the video, and description to give it context. Next, you'll want to choose the spoken language in the video. Please note a selection here is required. At the moment, it's defaulted to English, where I'm going to leave it. But if you did want automatic captioning to be applied to your video, you would have to select one of the supported languages. We discussed this at the beginning of the video in case you wanted to flip back to that particular segment. Automatic thumbnails are generated for the video. You can make a selection from the 4, I think that's given, any of these 4 squares, or you can click the square with the plus icon in the middle to upload a picture file of your choosing. In the permissions section, you can control who can see your video, be it everyone in your organization or very specific people with the access that you choose. You can set who can own the video, which enables that person to then edit the settings and edit the video itself. Also things like editing the caption and transcript are also included in that ownership. Please note your video can also have multiple owners, so in case it is co-managed, you can go ahead and select those individuals, either by searching for people in your organization, and then once you've added them, ensuring that the checkbox under the owner column includes that person. You can also add this video to other channels and other groups. In the options section, you can control various settings for the video. If you've selected a supported video language above in the details pane for this video, then auto-generate captions will be automatically checked. If you deselect auto-generate captions because you wanted to upload your own caption file, you'll then be given the option to then upload that file that you have available. Please note that Microsoft Stream Classic accepts the Web VTT format for captioning. Once you're done setting up your video, you can go ahead and click the Publish button at the bottom of the page. And this will then send the video to the place that you've chosen for it to go. So you could have chosen it to go to a specific channel or a group. If you just uploaded it for your own use and you haven't selected a specific space, it'll typically go to your My Videos. It's indicated that on this page where you can then click My Videos to jump to the finished video and then do things like view the transcript and view the captions or even make edits, further edits and changes. That page is also found from the main menu under My Content and then Videos. From the Videos page, you'll be able to see any videos you've uploaded. We can see here that the topmost video is the one I've just recently used in this example. And we can click on the video title to play the video. Hello. Now, automatic captions take about 1 to 2 times a video's duration to display the automatic captions and the transcript that's associated. For example, a 1-hour video, you can expect to wait about 2 hours for it to finish processing. And while it is processing, you'll see that the audio transcripts aren't quite ready yet. So just be sure to give it a bit more time, depending on your internet connection, and then swing back to your video to view and edit the transcripts when they have completed processing. Okay, this is much better. Our transcripts have now been automatically generated. We can see them on the right-hand side, and we should now be able to see a captioning button on the video's UI during playback. There are a number of ways you can view captions. I'm going to first begin with the likely most used, which would be the captions button on the video's UI. So while playing back a video, you can go down to the bottom right-hand corner and you'll see a CC button. Clicking on that button will toggle captions either on or off, very simply. Captions are also formed into a transcript, which is available on the transcript panel on the right-hand side. Here you can navigate the panel by clicking on any sort of text segment, and it will actually jump you to that moment in the video based on the timestamp. Not only can you click on the segments of text to skip through the transcript and video, you can also search the transcript as well for keywords that you're looking for. Now, say you come across a word or a phrase that doesn't make sense or wasn't captured accurately, you can use the pencil icon to edit the transcript. Doing so will likely edit the segment you're currently on, but you can skip to any other segment by simply clicking on the text blurbs. Once you click on a text segment, you can then use the replay button on the far right hand side here to then replay that video segment. And what that'll do is it'll play back that particular 2 to 3 second segment over and over and over as many times as you'd like, so you can capture the context of what's happening and then accurately describe it in the transcript. If you were to make a change of any kind, you could then save that change or discard it and revert back to the original. Please note that any changes made to the transcript will also be reflected in the captioning that's directly displayed on the video. When you've completed made your changes, go ahead and click the check mark on the top right. Once the icon reverts back to a pencil icon, you'll then know that your changes have been saved. Now, editing the transcript from the transcript window can be a straightforward process for minimal edits, but when it comes to a longer video or a longer series of editing that is required, it may be beneficial to use an alternative method to editing the transcript. You can find this alternative method by going down to the three dots in the bottom of a video once you've clicked to open and to play, and then you'd want to select Update Video Details. From this pane, you'll see similar headings so that when you uploaded the video, edit, permissions, and options. And on the options pane, you can choose to download the automatically generated caption file. It'll download as a VTT file, which can be opened in either Notepad or TextEdit on the Mac. So while editing the caption file, you can choose to just go ahead and type your responses and make changes directly into the document. Again, you'll want to use timestamps to ensure that you're editing the correct segment, and you can likely play the video in line with the timestamps to then make sure the changes are accurate. And once you're done making these edits, you can go ahead and X and save the file, and then you can re-upload. Now again, remember we talked earlier about you can choose to either auto-generate or upload a file, but not both. So we'll want to unselect auto-generate captions first in order to get the upload caption file option. And then we can simply choose to upload the file that we've edited. There we go. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see the video's language will default to the language in the file, and then we'll note that changes are saved automatically. Those changes should now be reflected in the transcript. We can see here that I typed to make changes on the first line, and it has now been automatically added into the transcript and the caption file. Now that captions and transcripts have been added and updated appropriately, you'll want to share this video with your audience. Go ahead and hit that share button on the video's playback to go ahead and put it in a place that best suits you.